Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Max Dictionary. Today I am going to teach you how to solve the Rubik cubes in an easy way. It's very simple. There are so many ways to solve the Rubik cubes, but I am going to teach you the simple way and we can solve it quickly. Wow, it's finished. Come on, let's learn how to do this easily. First, we need to know the basics of the Rubik cubes. See, here, this one is the right side and we want to turn like this. And this is left side and turn like this. This is up and turn like this, and front we turn like this. Okay, then this is the right inverse turn, left inverse turn, up inverse turn and front inverse turn. Okay. So all the time we want to fix the top layer as white color. Okay. So we start with white, and the first step is set the white color in the cross. That's very simple. Just check the white color and move and fix in the particular place like this. There is no formula for this, just moving and fixing. Yes, that's it. The next step is we are going to change the color of the middle box of the first two layers in all sides. That means we are going to arrange as same colors in the middle box of the first two layers. For that, just take any of the side and check the color of the middle box in the last layer, and twist the last layer and fix it in the same color. And one more time, turn the same side. Do the same for all sides. So we got a white cross in the top layer and the same color in the middle box of all sides. The next step is we are going to change all the other colors in the white layer as white. For that, turn the whole cube and keep the white layer as down layer. Also, we are going to change the lower layer of all sides as same color separately. Now, check the white color in the top layer. Here we are using three formulas for this. If the white color in the top, we are using one formula. If it is in right side, we are using another formula. And if it is in the front side, we are using the third formula. So now the white color is in the top layer, up. So we are using the formula as RURi, RURiUiRURi. Before using the formula, we need to check the color of the other two sides of that white block. If here it is green and orange, so turn this layer and fix it near to green and orange. Here already is near to green and the other side is in orange. So it's in the correct position, and now use the formula. See, RURi, RURiUiRURi. Now the white came down. Again check the white color in the top layer. Now it's in the right side. So we are using the right side formula. Before that, check the color of other sides of that white block and fix it in the same side. Now use the right side formula, RURi. Now the white color came down. Again check the white color. Now it is in the front side, and the other two sides are red and green. So turn the layer and fix near the red and green color. See, now it's in red and green. Now use the formula for front side, that is URiUiRi. Check the white color in the top layer again and do the same. The white color in the front side, so use the front formula. See, all the colors in the lower layer becomes white, and the side layers are as same color separately: blue, red, orange, green. The next step, changing all the colors of the second layer as same color separately. For that, keep the yellow layer in the top and white in the down. Check which block which does not having the yellow color in the top layer. Here is having yellow color, it's having yellow color. The other two blocks are not having the yellow color. So turn the layer and fix it near the same color. Check the color of other side of the same block. It's blue here. If the blue color is in the left side, we are using one formula. If it is in right side, we are using another formula. Now it's in the left side. So we are using the left side formula. That is UILIULUFUiFi. Do the same until the second row becomes the same color. Here it's green and red, so fix it near to green and check the side of red color and use the left side formula. Now here one block having green and orange, fix it near to orange, and the green is in the left side, so we are using the left side formula. Now see, it's having yellow, it's also having yellow, it's also having yellow, it's having blue and orange. Already it's near to the blue color, and the orange is in left side, so again you are using the left side formula. Now check all the colors of the second layer becomes same color separately. The next step is setting the yellow cross in the top layer. For that, we are using two formula. If the yellow color are in L shape, we are using one formula. If it is in straight line, we are using another formula. Now there is no L shape or straight line. So use any one formula of this one and make it as L shape or straight line. The formula is L U F U I F I L I. Now the yellow color are in straight line. So use the straight line formula. F R U R I U I F I. Now check. Now we got a yellow cross. The next step, we want the same colors in the middle block of all layers. Already we got. Sometimes when you are doing like this, we will got the same color in only two sides. The other two sides are different. But we want all the sides are same color, right? So we should keep the same color side, one as back side and another one in right side. And use this formula RURiURUURi. So we will get the colors in the middle box of all the layers as same. Now the last step, keep the white as up and yellow as down and check the colors of the corner blocks of all sides, which should be same colors on its sides. Here it's orange and green, so the sides also should be orange and green, but it's blue and orange, so check other corner block. Here red and green, the sides are green and red. So keep this side as left side and use this formula and make the colors of the corner blocks as the colors of its sides. Formula is RIDLDiRDLi. Now check the corner blocks. If it's not the same color, just make one twist and again check. Now check. It's orange and green, the sides are orange and green. Red and green and the sides are red and green. Red and blue and it's red and blue. So all the corners are same colors as its sides. Now the last step, set the lower layer as yellow color. Use this formula. For that, fix the different color in the right side and use this formula RURiUi. And if it change the yellow color, then just twist the other various color in this right side and use the same formula RURiUi until it will become yellow color. If it is changed, and just twist and make it as right side and use the same formula RURiUi. Now it's yellow color. Just turn. Wow, the Rubik cube is solved. I hope you all understood this, how to solve the Rubik cubes. Meet you in the next wonderful video. Until that, bye bye, take care.